In today's video, I'm going to teach you create bot with BotFather. We'll go from creating your Telegram bot to setting it up with a no-code builder so it's ready to greet users, respond automatically, and show menus, all without writing a single line of code. I'll keep it simple, clear, and secure. First, open the Telegram app and search for the official BotFather account. Start a chat to begin. Type the command at newbot. BotFather will ask for two things, a name and a username. The name is what people see at the top of the chat, so pick something friendly and readable. The username must be unique and must end with bot. It can include spaces, but underscores are fine. If the username is taken, try small variations until you find one that works. Once BotFather creates your bot, it will give you an API token. This token lets services connect to your bot and send messages on its behalf. Copy that token and store it securely right away. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly or paste it anywhere you don't trust. You'll need it in the next step. Now let's set it up without coding using a popular no-code builder inside Telegram. Search for ManyBot and start a chat. Use its newbot command, then paste the token you just saved when it asks for it. ManyBot will connect to your bot in a few moments and confirm everything is linked. With the connection in place, you can configure your bot through a visual interface. Begin with the start message, which is the first thing people see when they open your bot. Write a short, friendly greeting that explains what your bot can do and how to get help. Next, add auto replies to answer common questions instantly. You can also build simple menus that guide users to different options like FAQs, support information, or links. If you need extra functionality, explore the available integrations. ManyBot makes it easy to enable features without touching code. As you adjust settings, think about clarity and tone. Keep messages concise. Use simple language and make sure users always know what to do next. You can update any of these messages later, so don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first try. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.